I'm Nancy Folda,
I'm Daniel Ricks.
and we work in the Perception Control and Cognition Laboratory at Brigham Young University. And we'd like to talk to you about our vision for Autoplay.
Autoplay is a learning environment for interactive fiction. It has 50 text-based adventure games.
It grew out of our research in cognition and knowledge representation.
A semantic segmentation in vision can be used to identify objects in real life, but a robot needs to be able to recognize those objects and be able to reason about them. We needed a way to measure how good that information was.
And we thought text-based adventure games sounded like a perfect environment. They require the agent to come up with its own actions, its own statements about what it wants to do, rather than selecting from a predefined list. It mimicked a lot of the challenges in real life that we wanted to explore. If you can get an AI agent to master one of these text-based adventure games, if you can get it to actually realize that it needs to pick up the knife, attack the troll, steal the troll's keys in order to get to the door, like if you can do that, you have a lot of the basic building blocks for general AI. So these games, even though there's no graphics, they're just text, they are actually in many ways a more pure, a more effective form of testing cognitive ability than Atari or StarCraft or any of the more visual games.
Similarly, OpenAI has like Gym and Universe, but we needed an environment to specifically test for cognitive tasks.
If you have a bunch of researchers all using the same test-based environment, there's a real effective way of comparing algorithms, of building off each other's work.
Other researchers have actually asked us how to use Autoplay. We'd like to make Autoplay a lot more usable, as well as to fix some bugs that we know exist, but we haven't had time to address.
We would love to also write up a couple of blog tutorials, just enough information for other researchers to really get a running start on it. The reason we're applying for the grant is because we would like to be able to perfect this environment on our own time, so that it can be a real value to other researchers.